Hey everyone, I'm Allie with Allie Hoops Boutique, and today I am going to try out something I have seen probably on YouTube, but with the artists that use Dixie Belle paints. So we do sell Dixie Belle paints, and I like to try a lot of the products that they have on my own projects, and then I would try them in the studio. So today what I'm going to do is I've already painted this pumpkin, just a plastic artificial pumpkin from Hobby Lobby. It was originally white and I painted it, I believe this is Vintage Duck Egg by Dixie Belle. And so what I have seen done, which is super cool, and it gives it like a patinaed copper look, is to take the Dixie Belle Gemstone Mousse, and I'm using the color Amber, and paint it on your pumpkin however you like, and then spray it with the patina spray. Now in the videos that I watched, you could spray it with the blue spray, you could spray it with the green spray. I usually have both on hand, but today I just have the green spray, so we're going to use the green spray. But apparently the blue spray gives a very blue look. The green spray obviously gives a very green look to this effect. And since I painted my pumpkin blue, I think the green will look nice. When I did open my gemstone mousse, it had been sitting around for a while, and so I noticed that it was separated. So I just stirred it up really well, and it did get that nice moussey texture again. But so if you have any, or you purchase any and you haven't used it, stir it up really well if it looks separated, because it will get that nice moussey look again. All right, so I am just going to paint on this Gemstone Mousse by Dixie Belle. And I am using the color Amber. I may have mentioned that, because I love that nice coppery look. And I think what I'm going to do is just paint half the pumpkin and leave like the little brush strokes around it. So it's very artsy, abstract. I love this. This mousse is so creamy and smooth and so shiny. Such a beautiful product. And you can actually use very, very little. Like, there's enough on my brush to keep moving that around. In fact, in the video that I watched, they said to be careful not to use too much, because it does take a while for it to dry. So I think I'm going to paint my stem a little bit with this, because I love this metallic. All right. So let's just keep on painting. Like I said, just kind of a brush stroke look, and don't use too much. Keep moving it around the pumpkin. I guess I should have not painted my stem so I had something to hold on to. See, there's enough paint on my brush to continue, and I can even pick up some paint from here, or mousse. And here I'm just getting it down around the stem. Now you can paint your entire pumpkin if you want to. But I am just painting part of mine. I'm going to get just a little bit more. see. All right, I think that looks pretty good. What do y'all think? Maybe a little bit more? Bring it down just a little bit. All right, let's try it. Now I've dusted my stem and I'm gonna close this up because I will tip it over, no doubt. And now let's spray on our green patina. Now you might even want to do this outside, but I've got some paper towels, some plexiglass, and I'm just misting it a little bit, and I'm letting it run down because I want that runny look. So I only did like 3 sprays, and let's see what happens. It looks like it's already beginning to turn. I can kind of see it on my end. I don't know if you can kind of see it on your end, if it films well, but I'm gonna do just another little spray. Oh. And now I'm gonna leave it, and we'll come back in a few minutes and see what happens. Oh my goodness, I literally took a walk and came back, and this is the beauty that I found awaiting me. Look at that beautiful patina. It is absolutely gorgeous. And it was just 2 steps basically, other than painting my pumpkin. Oh, it's got a little bit dripping on it. You can wipe off. Don't want it to get on you. But painting my pumpkin and then brushing it with the amber colors, what I used, which looks very coppery to me, Gemstone Mousse by Dixie Belle, and then spraying it with the patina spray. And I use the color green, but you can also use blue. So this is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. I love it so much, I think I may go back and just put a little maybe on the bottom. I don't know, but tell me what you think in the comments. Tell me if you're going to try it, and if you do try it, will you comment with the picture of what you did? If you like this video, I would love it if you would subscribe to our channel at Allie Oops, our YouTube channel, and comment and let us know, like the video, and follow us, all the things. So again, I'm Allie at Allie Oops Boutique, and you can see it everything at allieoops.com. Or you can hop on this YouTube channel again, subscribe to it, and hit notifications. And anytime we do a new video, you'll be notified. So try this technique, so easy and fun, and it's just stunning. I absolutely love it. So y'all have a great day and happy crafting.